Morning class. So today I will discuss the roles of investigator. So the roles of investigator is determine whether the crime has been committed. So inaalam kung nangyari ang crime. Next, identify the victim. Inaalam kung sino ang biktima. Locate and apprehend the accused. So identify the victim and the suspect and locate and apprehend the accused. So tinutuntun kung saan ang arrest ang akusado, ang may sala. So present evidence of guilt or suspect. Present the evidence, the physical evidence and the guilt of the suspects. So assist in case and follow up. So that is the role of investigator. Next, what is the chain of custody? Chain of custody pertains to number of person who handles physical evidence from the time of its commissions, from the time of its collections from the crime scene up to disposition of the case. So ito ang parang pag-custody. So chain, bakal. So pertains to the number. So it about the person who handles physical evidence from the time of its crime scene up to the disposition of the case. So mamaya i-discuss natin yung lahat ng evidence gaya ng discuss ko ng nakaraan. So dito muna tayo. 3 tools of investigation. So information, data gathered by investigator and other person, including the victim himself. So information is a public records or private records. And modus operandi. So tracing the public records, any public records of the suspect, and private records, and the modus operandi, the methods of operation of the suspect. So information ulit, data gathering by the investigator and other person, including the victim himself. Next, instrumentation. Instrumentation is a skillful question of witness. At example, skillful questioning. So instrumentation is interrogation and interview is different. So in this instrumentation is skillful questioning of witness and suspect when what are the evidence that links to the suspects, comparison of evidence in the suspect, and about the investigation of the witness, comparison of the investigation of the witness and the suspect, and in the physical evidence and the witness and the suspect, and the comparison of the physical evidence using scientific application of science in instrumentation. So instrumentation, interview is a questioning, simple questioning. Instrumentation is a application of science. Investigation, tactical, or interrogation is questioning about the evidence the recovered in the crime scene. So it's interrogation. So we have a tactical interrogation to determine all from the start to the end that happened, all to determine all the principal, accomplice, and accessories. The instrumentation is a scientific experiment of real evidence. So application of instrument and methods, physical science, to detect the crime. So instrumentation, scientific experiments of real evidence application of instruments and methods in physical science, and detecting crime. So, maraming klase ng instrumentation. So, ah, forensic expert ang gumagawa po na ang nag-apply ng science. So, ang investigator, kung hindi forensic expert, so interrogation or interview and gathering evidence, gathering tracing evidence, all tracing evidence.